Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Excel Chapter 4 ML1 EBL Sporting Good. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing and many more online courses. And reach me out for your other courses like my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, web development, writing and accounting and many more online courses. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. I am handling many student courses on MediLab Pearson, Sandgate, Mintap, MC Grahil, Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our assignment. To solve it step by step, we will open our instruction file, click on Enable Editing button first. Okay. The title of assignment is XP25 Excel Chapter 4 ML1 EBL Sporting Good. This is the title of assignment, and under this project description you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now we will moving on. Next is instruction. Okay, this is the title of assignment. Question number 1 is that first we will increase the font size of instruction file for a proper view in my video. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 1. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name. Down XP25 Excel Chapter 4 ML1 Inventory Excel as grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal. You can download this file easily from your portal. Okay, click on Enable Editing button. Then we will move on to the next question. Question number 2 is that freeze the top row so that the column label do not scroll off screen. Okay, off screen. The first point of this question is that we will screen the top row. Okay, so that the column label do not scroll. We will go to the view tab. First we will select first row of this table. Then we will go to the view tab. In the window group, we will click on freeze pane button. In the window group, we will click on freeze pane button and then we will click on freeze top pane. Okay, we will click on freeze top pane, top row. Simply click on freeze top row and then this question is done now. Top row is frozen now. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 3. The question number 3 is that convert the data to a table and the name of the table is inventory 2024. Basically in this question we will convert the data to a table. This is the first point of this question. We will convert the data to a table. We will go to the insert tab, click on the table and then go to the insert tab. In the tables group, click on table button and then simply click on OK button. This data will be converted into a table. Now we will assign the name to a table inventory 2024. We will go to our table design tab. In the properties group, click on table name box and then we will assign a name of table inventory 2024. Press enter. This table will be assigned a name to 2024. Now we will move on to the next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is question number 4. Apply light green table style light 18 to the table. We will apply the table style light green table style light 18. We will go to the table design tab. In the styles group we will go to the lights style and then we will apply light green table style light 18. This is the table style. We will click on this style and then this style will be applied on this table. Okay, This question is done now. Now we will move on to the next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is question number 5. Question number 5 is that sort the table by warehouses A to Z, then by unit price smallest to largest, and then by department. Create a custom sort order for department so that it displays in the sequence training, okay, athletics, apparel, footwear, and fitness, outdoor gear, and toys. Basically, in this question, we will sort the table. The first is that warehouses A to Z. We will go to our table and then, okay, we will go to our table. We will click on warehouses, okay, column. Then we will go to the home tab in the editing group. Click on sort and filter button. Click on custom sort. The first level is that warehouses A to Z alphabetical. Now we will have to add a second level. The second level is given in the instruction. The second level is then unit price smallest to largest. This is the second level. Okay, unit price we will add a level. The second level is unit price. Unit price is smallest to largest. Okay, this is good. Now we will move on the next point of this question. The next point is that then by department. Okay, create a custom sort for department so that it display in this sequence. Okay, we will have to add a level. The third level is that department. Okay, create a custom sort order for department so that it displays in sequence training, athletics, apparel, footwear, fitness, outdoor gear, and toys. We will add this list. Right click on this, click on custom list. We will select custom list. Training, we will type here training, athletics, athletic, ATHLETIC, and then apparel and footwear, apparel and footwear, and footwear will type here footwear, and fitness, fitness, and this next is outdoor gear, outdoor gear, outdoor gear, and then toys, and last is the toys. Okay, click on add button, click on OK. You can see here first I have added the warehouses, sort the table. The first level was warehouses, the warehouses was A to Z alphabetical. Then I have at a second level. The second level is unit price. The unit price sort smallest to largest. Then I have at the third level is department. Then I have add a custom list. You can see this custom list. I have already added a custom list. Then simply we will click on OK button. Then this table will be sorted. Okay. Now we will move on to the next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is question number 6. Remove duplicates record from the table. Okay, remove duplicates record from the table. Excel should find and remove one duplicate record. Simply, the first point of this question, we will remove duplicates record. We will go to the table design tab. Okay, in the tools group, click on remove duplicates button. Then we will click on OK button. Okay, we will click on OK button. One duplicates values found and removed. 78 unique values remain. Note that counts may include empty cells, spaces, etc. Like okay. Okay, click on OK button. Then record will be removed from duplicates record will be moved from this table. Now we will move on the next question. You can see I have done this question so well. Please focus on my PC screen and you can done your assignment by watching this video. I have done 6 questions right now. Total question of this assignment is 12. I have done 6 questions in my video. It's mean I have done 60 to 70% assignment in my video. For remaining question and if you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and reach me out for your other courses help. I can do all online courses. I am handling many students courses on MATLAB Pearson, Cengage Mintap, MC Grahil Simnet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.